Hi everyone, welcome to today's video and welcome to our channel Shafin Hill Educate. And today's video we will focus on what is vibe coding and how we can leverage Amazon Q along with GitHub for vibe coding. So just to explain what is vibe coding. So vibe coding is nothing but you want to build an application in any programming language and but you don't want to write the code from scratch, or probably you want a head start where you have a presentation, or you want to demonstrate, or you want to reach the POC, proof of concept, as soon as possible, or you want to build a MVP, minimum viable product that you can show to business about the idea that you are talking about. Then the vibe coding is very very helpful. So basically in vibe coding, human and AI interact via natural language. So you give a very brief description or as detailed as description of each and every functionality that you want the code to be created for you, and you give all the instructions in natural language to any AI assistant, and it generates the end-to-end application code for you. That is basically vibe coding. So Amazon Q, as many of you know, or some of you if you don't know, then Amazon Q is nothing but the generative AI powered conversational assistant given by Amazon. So as generative AI itself deals with an area of AI which can generate content for you, and this Amazon Q developer is, as the name developer is associated, it's more targeted towards the developer fraternity, and to help the developers build applications in a faster way, as well as it actually covers the spectrum of all the IT professionals, even someone very new to coding, and the business analyst or even the leadership team can leverage the Amazon Q developer and build very complicated end-to-end code in a very short period of time, right? So which we will see in the later part of the video. Then GitHub, as all of you know, that is the scalable version controlling tool, right? And most of us use Bitbucket or GitLab or GitHub, any kind of tool. So now, as of now, in today's video mostly focuses on Amazon Q developer along with GitHub, and we can how we can do vibe coding. So it's in Amazon Q on GitHub is available in a preview mode. So we will see how we can enable it and how we can quickly see the same. So we will move on to the demo part in the next section of the video. So in this part of the video, what we will see how we will enable Amazon Q on GitHub and how we can leverage the vibe coding to generate the code. So as you can see, this is the Amazon documentation page which describes about the Amazon Q developer GitHub, which is in preview state, as it is mentioning that you need to enable the plugin in your GitHub account. So as of now there is no charges for the same, but in future there will be charges. So what I did, I just clicked on the GitHub link that is given here. Then in other window or other tab, I have logged into my GitHub account. As you can see, this is my GitHub account. So when I clicked on it, it will take you to a page, and since now I have enabled Amazon Q developer, I'm not seeing the add option, but you will get an add option. So when you click on add, the plugin will be added to your GitHub account, and it will be installed as a plugin. So so it will take 3 or 4 steps which you can do, and post that it is available. So as you can see, it is available. The free version is already installed on my GitHub account. So once this is enabled, I have created a GitHub repository. So I hope all of you are aware of creating a GitHub repository, and I have one main branch inside the repository. And then what we can do is we can simply go to the issues section, and we can start creating a new issue. So when we give a new issue, suppose I want the Amazon Q, or I want the vibe coding to generate a simple HTML uh, code with a form. So I will give it this is just a title, right? So generate HTML can be a simple title, and we need to give a very brief description or a very clear prompt, because all of you know that AI assistant or all the generative AI basically look for a very clean and clear prompt. So the more refined your prompt is, the more value you will be able to take out of the generative AI technology, right? So if I will simply write, but you can frame your prompt as per your requirement. Generate a um, simple HTML code for me that has 5 fields in the same, which one can run in local. So what we do, you simply give your description, and on the right side there is a label, and here, since Amazon Q is installed, I will select Amazon Q development agent here, and I will create the issue. So as soon as I create the issue, you will see that Amazon Q will start responding to your um, label and the your description. It will start that I am working on generating the code, and I will issue the uh, update the comment, and I will generate a pull request. So just in interest of time, I will show you one issue I just created beforehand. I said that create a simple Python application that will pull information from BSU website about a certain company when asked. Also list down the steps that one would need to follow. So basically, if you are not aware of stock market and all, then I'm just asking to create Bombay Stock Exchange website. I'm just asking it to give me a Python code that I can run in my local, or I can deploy in any remote server, and it should be able to pull the real time information about the company from that website. So this is mostly helpful for the trading people, or who are dealing with stock markets. But this is just an example. Okay. So as soon as I gave it, you can see that there is a progress update, and you will see that it is continuously working on my request, and it is writing each and every step that it is performing at a certain time. Like it is testing what repositories and directory is present on my repository, then it is creating the Python code, then it's creating a readme file, and then it followed all the steps and BSC scrapper code, and it performed, and finally it said successfully created, and then it is saying I finished my proposed code changes and I am creating a pull request. So and then it finally went and created a pull request. So where you can see that here there is a pull request option, right? So if I show, then there is a pull request open, as you can see. And if you want to see what is inside the pull request, then you simply click on it and you go to the commit option. And if you click on the this particular pull request that has been created, you can see that it has created a lot of all the required Python codes along with requirement txt and config py, and the detailed readme. So readme file will clearly describes, like if you download this repository, then what all steps you need to follow in order to deploy this application in your local, or to run this application in your local, right? So how cool is it, right? So leveraging the Hive coding, anyone can generate a code base, and then this is not limited to this just code generation, right? So the more detailed description that you give to your issue, you can generate the test cases, you can generate the review code review standards also, so that it generates it as per your standards also. Okay. And here I just wanted to show one more functionality, that while creating the issue, you have one more option called code in agent mode. So you can click on the agent mode also. Then what it will do, it will take you to a, it will open up a IDE kind of browser, where you can in interacting with the Amazon queue, or you can keep on getting suggestions from the Amazon queue in real time. It is generating the code space for us now. So let's wait for a couple of seconds for it to come up. And as you can see, this is more like an Visual Studio IDE kind of thing. It opened, right? So here you can open up your repository, and you can write your code also here, and you can keep on asking questions here. And as and when you write the code also, it can give you real time suggestions also. So and then this code can be checked into your GitHub repository. So this will increase your productivity, and this will speed up your coding speed also. So So thanks for watching today's video, guys. This is our channel Traffic Educate, where we deal with travel, finance, health, and education. So today's video was more of an AI/ML technology video, which falls under education. So if you like our content and you like, please subscribe to our channel so we can bring more such content to you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.